whereas the young woman Mrs. Watson remembered had been all softness and mobility, her eyes deep wells rather than shuttered windows. "May I offer you a seat, Your Highness?" said Mrs. Watson. The Maharani sat down. Her motion, too, had a glacial grandeur. "I apologize for not first sending you. The truth is, I had no idea where you..."
PR comes from NPR stations. Other contributors include the George Lucas Educational Foundation, creator of Edutopia. What works in pre-K through 12 education at edutopia.org.
From Camp Radio in Sacramento, this is Insight. I'm your